Hi and greetings of the day. This is Ketan, and I'm here to take you with me on my transformational journey. I won't say my journey is completed because it's still ongoing, and I think it's been about over 2 months since I have shared with you my first video on my on my fitness journey, and I thought it's again time to share with you my next update about my fitness journey. But also there were not many, but one or two questions which I got into my private inbox, which I think any male who is above 30 and definitely above 40 had asked me. So I just wanted to share that with you. But before anything, I think what is more essential is just to share with you, which I had not shared with you in the earlier video, what I was then. So if you see my photograph now, that is from the month of May 2019, that is last year. If you see this photograph of mine now, that is from 31st October 2020, that is last weekend. So amongst these two photographs, you yourself can make the difference. I would only share with you the effects, and those effects I would share on a two-pronged basis. One is the physical effects, second are the psychological effect. Now, the physical effect is, you can very well see how toned my body is now. Of course, you can see me in the video but not complete. But if you see this photograph and compare it with this photograph, you can make out how toned my body is, how lean I'm looking. And I can tell you, there always is a definite surge of energy in me physically, because I initially I always used to feel pretty much lethargic, tired, and I often used to find excuses for not doing certain things. And yes, I don't just do things, physical things. I am more agile, and there is a very definitive and definite bounce in my step. So uh, it's only unfortunate that we are not connected because of this pandemic, and I'm sure, but all those people whom I have met even during this pandemic have told me that, hey, we definitely do see a change in you, not just physically but even how in my motion, how agile I am, and what all I have mentioned. So I think that really quantifies a lot. But what are the psychological effect? Now, the psychological effect is, because you're more agile, you have the surge of energy. You can actually do things much more better. There is a definite boost in your confidence. A, because of your looks, because of your toned body, because you can achieve more with this body. You definitely look youthful. Like even in my last video, I had said that it does not make you young. You don't grow young. You will always grow old, but you have a youthful kind of surge of energy. You look youthful. Your face is glowing, and because you look youthful, definitely you feel youthful. There is a lot of feel good factor about you. You start feeling proud about yourself. So fitness for me, and again with my transformation, it has been very rewarding. It was a long journey. It just did not happen overnight, but there was a lot of effort. I was thankful to have a trainer like Akash. Not was he's still my trainer, although I'm not working out in gym because of corona, but he still very much is my trainer. And I think there is a dedication that you all need to follow. And one thing which I would strongly say is, um, only when you talk about fitness, it is holistic. It's not just the working out part, because um, you don't lose weight, you don't lose fat, or you don't become this slim and trim what I have become by just working out. You need to have a healthy diet as well. But I'm not going to speak more about diet, because that is a separate topic all by itself. But let me very strongly tell you that when it comes to diet does not mean eating tasteless, bland, boiled food. You have seen my recipes, you have seen what all I cook and what all I eat. Protein dense, healthy, loaded with fat. I mean, I eat a lot of fats to get energy, and my meals are very, very, very flavorful, but yet they are very healthy. Okay, now the question which a lot of, not lot, some of you have asked me, and I think it is very imperative because and this question is more related to males. As men start aging, especially when people move across over the threshold of 30 and more so ever the threshold of 40, obviously your body is not growing younger, it grows old, and then it's the wear and tear, the sign shows. And add to that the lifestyle that we have, maybe the work stress or whatever, or our socializing, that really speeds up the deteriorating process. Now, to answer the question was basically uh, is directly about virility. And hey, why to be shy? Because that is what we all go through after after we cross the threshold of certain age, and when we start finding some medical solutions. Again, let me be very crisp and clear. I'm neither a medical practitioner, I'm not a medical expert, I'm not a doctor, I'm not even a fitness expert, but I'm just sharing this out of my personal experience. Because uh, after I started working out, I not just physical changes, I and the psychological effect, but yes, coming to my anatomy, I really experienced certain changes. Absolutely. As a result, the output was much, much, much more robust, so to say. Now, for all those who have written into me, yes, workouts really help, because what happens is it leads, especially your legs workout, it leads to the generation of testosterone, and that is something which are, as we grow older, our body does not really, I would say, manufacture testosterone as it starts producing when we reach our teenage years, and that is where we feel our maximum virility. And of course, that again leads to psychological lowering of confidence and disinterested in relations, so on and so forth. And I think that is something which is produced in your family jewels, your family heirlooms. I know you get the drift of what I'm trying to say. Also, when you look, when you when you are into a relation, or hey, you don't even need to be in a relation. When it comes to performance, performance matters, and along with performance, size also does matter. And there, I don't see any need to shy away from this fact, because any male who goes beyond 30, and most males who go beyond 40, are hit with the same problem. All right. And then of course, you go on to various medications, various pills, and you have a lot of side effects. And trust me, not many really go and actually take medical advice. But I think if you actually have to have a side effect or a byproduct, I think this is a very positive byproduct of fitness, of working out. So it's not just your body, it's not just this youthful glow or youthful look. You are also much more virile. So let me take this opportunity, guys. If you feel you're lacking in relationship because of your virility, and girls and guys, if you feel your man is lacking somewhere, or your relationship with your man is lacking because of romance virility. I think rather than depending on some tabs or pills or anything for that matter, I think uh, if you invest, seriously invest into fitness, I am sure the byproduct, you're going to reach benefits, and the byproducts are that you will also experience are much, much, much more enriching. So I think I have made my point, and I think that is what a few of my friends who had written into me actually wanted. But of course, yes, if you want to connect further, I'm always there. Type it down below, and I'm always just one click away. So with that, I think I will bring this particular chat to a closure, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video. So till then, take care, stay safe, wear your mask, and do keep on working out. This is your friend Ketan signing off. Bye bye.